So this is showing the entire length of the spinal cord from the front. So this line going down the center is the anterior median fissure. And about L1, L2, the spinal cord tapers down to a point. In 3 dimensions, that point is cone-shaped. So this is the conus medullaris, which is the end of the spinal cord. And then all of these stringy things are roots, ventral and dorsal roots, coming off of conus medullaris that look like a horse's tail. So it's cauda equina, going to all the spinal nerves of the lumbar and sacral spine. Then we come over to the wire model for the plexuses and the nerves. The plexuses are represented with the green twist ties. So this is the cervical plexus, which comes out of the upper cervical spine. The only spinal nerve we're learning that comes out of the cervical plexus is the phrenic nerve, which is going to be the anterior-most nerve here. If you trace it up, it'll go to the upper cervical spine, to the cervical plexus. The next plexus are nerves that go straight over to the arm, so this is called the brachial plexus. There are 5 nerves we're learning coming out of that. The axillary nerve starts in the armpit and goes out to the deltoid muscle, so it shoots off laterally. The next 3 nerves, no matter where I mark them, if you follow them down to the wrist, the radial nerve is closest to the thumb, ulnar nerve is closest to the pinky, and the median nerve is right in the center. And then the last one you're left with is the musculocutaneous nerve, which runs right down the center of the humerus and innervates the biceps brachii and the skin on the front of the arm and the forearm. So the wire model doesn't show it come down into the forearm, but it does do that. Not shown on this model, but the lines in between all the ribs on this model are the intercostal nerves or thoracic nerves. They don't bundle up, they just run in between all of the ribs, intercostal or thoracic nerves. Then below the rib cage, the nerves plexus again, they collect into the lumbar plexus, running through the front of the hip with